I don't have no shame. I was just told I have no shame. I really don't. Not at all. No, look at crazy makeup. I'm recording myself in our Mission Valley Resort Hotel. In the end, I'm going to show what the Mission Valley Resort looks like. Don't be fooled. It's not a resort. Not at all by any means. Start in the morning, right? Drinks. Kidding. Water. Now,
Sure, tons more.
not an attention whore. So, alright. I will see you so long.